Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walnut Bottom, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Chambersburg, Lower Allen, Weigelstown, Enola, Shippensburg, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, and Lemoyne. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 196 to 245. Interstate 81 from mile markers 9 to 65. Interstate 83 from mile markers 23 to 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorms can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service and State College